on the ridge today, I got a lesson in using the Hookaroon properly. It's pretty comical. You should stick around for that.
So when you do this, you need to make sure you're standing away from that. You don't want to drive that into your shin. So
Okay.
keep it away from you. Look at your target, you know, and you really want to drive it in there. Especially on these, they're big and heavy, and they'll help you move them. That's all you got to do. But these logs here, they're heavy. It's white oak, wet. These are hard to move around, so, but this gives you a big target to practice on. So just come up here and grab that thing, and just remember, keep it away from you. Stand to the side of it.
Okay.
But you gotta really plunge in there, because that's a heavy log. But, there you go. You got it. There you go. Try one more. There you go. You swing like a girl. Drive that in there. There you go.
Oh.
Do it again.
Take 3. Okay, is it me or is it the log?
It's you. Turn and hit the other side. You want to go for the center as much as you can.
It was bouncing right onto that log. Oh.
Oh man, that doesn't hit me.
I don't understand. Maybe I'm back too far.
There you
I
go.
was back too far.
Yeah.
Oh, I got this.
You got it?
I got this.
They're heavy, ain't they?
Yeah.
There you go.
I did it.
Good training. You want to do another one?
One more. That one wasn't very good. I know what's happening. I'm standing back too far, so it's hitting the log right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. We can practice on little ones later, but
Well, there. Figured it out.
so you gonna be able to lift them up on the splitter for me?
Yeah.
All right, let's get back to work.